a guide coat. And probably would recommend doing that on your beginning stages if you're just learning how to do priming and blocking. But you can look across this area from about here to here and see that when there is metal showing here or plastic showing here, it's very feathered out. It's not a high bump in the middle or nothing. It's got a nice, smooth, soft edge to it. I can run my hand this way and I feel nothing. I can run my hand this way and I feel nothing. After doing this for quite a while, you'll get where you can actually feel a dent. Some people, you'll see old body men with their big old crusty hands. They'll be doing this, and that's what they're doing, is they're actually trying to feel for dents. I can feel all these because they're pretty obvious, but I could actually feel some that a lot of people couldn't feel. So for those of you who are just getting started, you can use any of these products like this. It's just a guide coat. It's a real fast drying black non-building paint that you can just spray a nice little spatter like that. And then when you sand, what you'll see happen is all the areas that are high will sand off really nicely. So as it begins to come down evenly, those high spots are starting to meet the low spots, and when they do, they take that black guide coat out of there. And that's how you know at that point you've got the low spots to meet the high. So now when you start to come in and take a look at the roof, you'll see an overall level beginning to take shape. We have a little bit of bare metal here, we have some plastic here. We're rid of most of our lines. There's still a little bit of an impression there from our squeegee line. But back here, this is how it started, with a lot of highs and lows. So if you could just draw off an area like this, that's what we're going to make the rest of the roof look like. So let's get blocking on this thing.